score, 33 against 36 in favor of Jacket. 3 minutes and 16 seconds, nakabilis sa itong oras. George number 4 na mga muna. Gilong-gilong kinatak, nakita kapasahan pa sa George number 29. George number 16. Out of Pura. Orgos through Pura. 3 minutes flat, ang nakabilis sa itong oras. George number 21. Pagkinawan. George number 16. Tama na. Back to line. Monsanto. George number 7. Control the ball. George number 7. Back to George number 29. To 27. From the line press. Not good. Back by George number 4. Yes, 7 on the line. Ball goes to Puna. Oras na kalit 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 33 against 36. Nabaw ang takit.
Opening man dyan, ano? Boy, opening no? Kalau ko nira?
First number 30.
Nah, nangarit, tanan.
2 minutes and 30. 15 seconds to shoot. First number 30. 51. Out of bounds. Ball goes to the target. 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Monsanto. Monsanto nagkatala ng bola pass to George number 4. Pila ball to George number 30. 59. Wow, a nice pass. Sayang. George number 30. Yes, sir. There's number 3. That's 2 minutes. There's number 3 control the ball. There's number 3 nakita again. Okay na. Again. Baka ba tayo sa number 7 Monsanto? 1 minute and 48 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Yes, sir. Batang pia. There's number 8. 1 minute and 38 seconds. 34 against 38 in favor of Jacket. 1 minute and 32 seconds. Nakabilang violation.
Nag-try mo lakad doon.